Hello everyone! Iyan guys, isa po tayong sales agent ng SMDC. Iyan, nasa South 2 resident po tayo. South 2, ito po ay nagkakahalaga ng 4M to 5M. 1 bedroom, 1 balconahe. Pre-ceiling, South 2, 3 years turnover, 15K monthly. Near at SM South Mall. Yan guys, ginagawa pa po siya ngayon. Pero ito po ay turnover within 3 years to 2 years. Ayan, hari-hari po tayo, my dear client. Sayang po ang pagkakataon na mababa pa po yung price natin. Yan guys, so you can contact me as your agent from Mike Sales Inquiries, Regina Capillan Inas. Contact number 0963-3744113. Yan guys, malapit lang po tayo sa South Mall. Yan, Pilar Village lang po tayo location natin. So anytime I can assist you to view our location.